Hello, everyone. Do you want to speak English confidently but feel afraid or confused? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple and effective ways to become fluent in English, even if you are a beginner. Part 1. Start small. First of all, start small. You don't need to learn difficult words or grammar at the beginning. Start with simple daily sentences, like, "Good morning," "How are you?" "What are you doing?" Practice these sentences every day. Part 2. Listen more. Listening is very important. Listen to English every day. You can watch English videos, movies, or short clips. Don't try to understand everything. Just listen carefully and enjoy the sound of English. Part 3. Speak without fear. Many people are afraid of making mistakes, but remember, mistakes are part of learning. Speak English with yourself, with friends, or in front of a mirror. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Part 4. Learn new words daily. Learn 5 new words every day. Use them in sentences. For example, if you learn the word happy, say, "I am happy today." This habit will improve your vocabulary quickly. Part 5. Practice every day. Consistency is the key to success. Practice English every day, even for 10 or 15 minutes. Small practice every day is better than long practice once a week. Ending. Motivation. Remember, anyone can learn English. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start today and keep practicing. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.